Ki pulit Ladrymbai district haka step country tarik urempang arajar arpoar kila yo abun kurup hado arpsau song ki tiar penbetei bom IED kat arspa tli ki detonator but lai spa san kilo ki gelatin stick na koi kakali ki pulit kila itu bai kila yo jing tip ikajing wan jo katika kali haka por san bejemen step kabat mu let chagohati but ki pulit ke Byrnihat kila bat ya katika kali but yo aban kem ya arngut ki breu ki badan haka teika kali Superintendent of Police Ladrymbai District Ugiri Prasad ulai thu baki pulit ke Byrnihat outpost hadin kejing yo jing tip kila penlong ikajing talasi kali hakate ke jaka bat kadai haka por san mejemen step bakila penyang ya kawai ke kali ke badan you registration number AS not iway LC iway R Henry namar baka kali kam shimla sange kumta lahap bandej be bat ikate kali hadu hakat armer la suba bakate ke kali kade ke bawan na Ladrymbai East Giant Hills but tmu late penhab ikiti kimar Sharani Bazar Guwahati.
So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Byrnihat has set up a naka around 2 o'clock and we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Byrnihat outpost naka. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were 2 occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the 2 occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also 2 mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested. And Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation.